Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off my curly hair routine right out of the shower. I always wrap my hair up with a cotton t-shirt. It's really important to either use a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel on your hair rather than a regular towel so that it can reduce frizz, and it's also much gentler on your hair. This is my natural, real hair. Us curly heads always have to clarify that, and my curl pattern is 3B. This spray bottle filled with water is key. You want your hair to be wet while doing your routine, so don't let it get dry at all. The wetter, the better. Spray away until it's dripping wet. This will also reduce frizz and help add and lock in moisture to the products I'm about to put in my hair. I've used this Garnier leave-in conditioner for years, literally since I was so young, and I still love it so much. It's very moisturizing while being so lightweight, which is so important to me so that it doesn't weigh down my curls. I'm smoothing it all over my hair and adding it in sections too, so I can make sure I'm covering all of my hair. Moisture is so important to us curly heads because our hair is naturally so dry, so I'm making sure to put a generous amount in my hair. Once I gently smooth it in my hair, I'm reviving my curl pattern by scrunching it up, which is so important to do when adding any product to your curly hair. To brush out my hair, I'm using the Denman brush, which is great for curly hair. It helps gently detangle your hair without breakage, it reduces frizz, and it's designed to define your curl pattern. I'm brushing my hair in sections starting from the bottom of my hair and gently working my way up to my roots. If there are any knots, you can either use your hand to finger detangle or very gently go back and brush through it. Once I've brushed through a section, I'm reviving the curl pattern again by scrunching it up. It's so important to do that because everything we're doing to our curls is pushing it downwards and disturbing our curl pattern. So it's very important to scrunch it up to help our curl memory and also get maximum curl definition. I'm once again spraying away to make sure my hair is nice and wet before I put in the final product. For the product that's going to hold my curls, I'm using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which is another product that I've been using for years. I love it because it's also lightweight. It doesn't make my hair hard or stiff at all. It feels as if I have no product in my hair once it's dried, which is so important to me, and it also does a great job defining and holding my curls. I'm taking a generous amount and I'm scrunching it all in my hair. You want to make sure you get all of your curls. It's really important not to smooth this product into your hair and disturb your curl pattern. Instead, make sure you're scrunching it up into your hair to revive your curls because this is the shape your curls are going to dry to. To diffuse my hair, I'm using a basic Revlon hairdryer with its diffuser attachment. I don't like to completely dry my hair with a diffuser because that makes my hair super frizzy, but I do like to partially dry it to lock in the product with my curl pattern, and also because I don't like walking around with super wet hair. I'm holding the diffuser from the bottom of my hair to the root and holding it for about 5 seconds in different sections. I do this for about 2 minutes on each side of my head and then flip my hair upside down and diffuse it for about a minute, which I didn't include footage of because my camera went out of focus. So this is my hair partially diffused. It's 1 p.m. right now, so I'll check in about an hour once it's a bit drier. Now it's 2 p.m. It's been a complete hour. It's dried up just a little bit, and as you can see, it is super flat, and that's not cute. So now that we've let it dry a little, we can give it some volume. I'm taking my very loved hair pick and putting it through the roots of my hair and lifting it up. You want to do this all over your roots so that your hair is not so flat and stuck to your head. Make sure you're only picking at the roots of your hair and not your actual hair strands. A pick is your curly hair's best friend. If you have curly hair, you need one. I keep one in my purse at all times to add a little volume. Then I'm flipping my hair upside down and shaking to free the curls. I also like to go through and separate my hair a little because the product has them a little stuck together. Now it's 10 p.m. I just got home from a charity event and my hair is finally dry and pretty volumed for first day hair. So that is it, beauties, for my highly requested curly hair routine. It's my simple, quick and easy, go-to, minimal product curly hair routine that I do all the time. I know y'all see my hair straight a lot, but it's actually curly way more often than it is straight. I love my curly hair so much. It's a love-hate relationship, but overall, I really truly love it so much. I'm learning every day to embrace it more and more. I love how curly hair is so different. All the curl patterns are also different, and having curly hair in general just makes you so unique, so different, and so special. I absolutely love it. And I am excited to be making curly hair videos. I'm starting a whole curly hair series. So if you want to see how I oil my hair, what kind of oils I use, what I'm trying to do to get my hair healthier and to grow longer and thicker, and just how I sleep with my curly hair, and just all these fun tips and tricks that I do with my crazy curls, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And I promise I'll make more curly hair video for you guys. I really wanted to keep this curly hair video affordable using my absolute must-have, can't live without affordable drugstore hair products. To shampoo and condition my hair, I've been using the Mini Ethnicities shampoo and conditioner for a month now, and I absolutely love it. First of all, it's made by a physician that has curly hair, and her 3 daughters also have curly hair, so she knows the struggle of having curly hair. She really understands it, and also the science behind it. Her products are also free of sulfates, parabens, all that bad stuff that you should not be putting in your hair, so that's really important. And I'm really excited because Mini Ethnicities is giving away a set to one of you guys, so you'll get their shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner. All you have to do is read the description down below for the super easy instructions on how to enter. Thank you so much for watching, beauties. Again, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new from my curly hair routine. If you have any tips and tricks that you want to share about your curly hair, please share it down below. I would love to read. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for more curly hair videos. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on my social medias. Bye, beauties.